Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be creating a memory puzzle game. It's a flip and match uh, game, a flip and match card game. So firstly, what we did was we import Pygame, which is the model that we used to use to create these games, and then we did the game settings, the width, the height, the rows, columns, the types, so size. We arranged the colors. Then we created the windows, we created a shuffled pair, we store relevant states. When it reveals and we pick two that tallies, it's going to store that and open this thing. Then we have the front of this thing. Then this is the board, the drawing of the board, the way the board looks like, the row, the columns, and things like that. When you click the tiles, what appears, the tile size, the row, the column. This keeps the game running, things like that. So if it matches, the game stays like it retains what the cards that match, and if it doesn't matches, it resets. So that's what this code is doing right here. So let's run the game and see how it appears. So we're running the game right now. So this is it. So let's start to play the game. So this didn't tally. It didn't tally. Yeah. So this tally is still going to remain unflipped. So let me see. Oh, the game went back. So that tallied. uh, So I got 3 and 3 here, 8 and 8 here, 1 and 1 here. I think I'm doing wonders. I got this wrong. Yes, I got this correctly. Ah, so I won the game. So this is the concept of this particular game. It's called the memory puzzle game, flip and match. So there's the code for that. So I will put in the code in the comment section. You can get the code and use it. You can also modify it to suit the kind of game, the kind of outcome that you want. If you feel this was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.